Good morning, it's Diane at So Charming Quilts, and I'm here to do our big quilt reveal for March. If you've been following along with us, we have been working on the 2022 Robert Kaufman calendar quilts for this year, and this is our quilt for March. It is called Harvest. The designer is Elise Lea, and you can see from this quilt, I had to move some things around in the studio to get a picture of it, because this quilt finishes at 68 by 90 inches. And it is gorgeous. I'm going to see if I can zoom in just a little bit. We quilted it with a Baptist fan. We used a chestnut color thread, which just kind of pops on that white and blends so well with our blocks. If you've been following along, we have a YouTube series of tips and tricks when we're making our quilts. We hope that you will subscribe. You can follow us on Instagram or Facebook and give us a shout out. Thanks for joining us on our March quilt. We have kits available in the studio if you visit our site at www.socharmingquilts.com. We hope you enjoyed this quilt. We enjoyed making it. And we'll hope to see you for April. We'll be doing our next quilt reveal very soon. Thank you. Have a good day.